Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to make your hojalata. So here's how you are going to do it. You need to put a magazine down. This is going to be like your cushion for your desk. Your picture is not going to go that great into the foil if you don't have the magazine, okay? I also need a dull pencil. This pencil is not so sharp. If it's so sharp, it might tear a hole in the foil, so we don't want that. I'm also going to use my reference paper again, okay? So I'm gonna do the calavera one more time. So what I'm going to do is kind of hold my foil still, and I'm gonna press pretty medium, okay? You don't wanna push light, but you don't wanna push so hard you're tearing it. So start by drawing your frame. You wanna make a rectangle and some patterns around it. I'm going to draw my skeleton skull. I cannot erase, so if I make a mistake, oh well, you gotta live with it. Okay, so there's my shape for my skeleton. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. Like this. Oh, it's so hard to see the picture. You don't wanna do that. Be very careful. If you don't press hard enough, it's gonna be hard to see it too. Okay, and then the last thing I can do is add some little lines coming out or draw something else around it to make it look interesting. Pressing hard, but not too hard. Okay, watch. Now if I turn it over, ta-da! That's my good side. I'm gonna show you how to add color to your hojalata. You're gonna be looking at a color wheel and deciding, do I wanna do cool colors, which are purples, blues, and greens, to give it a feeling of being really chilly and relaxed, like the water and a snowy sky and plants? Or do I want to use colors like warm, pinks and reds and oranges and yellows? Those give a feeling of like really bright and energetic, like a volcano or fire or sunny. Okay, so I think I'm going to pick warm colors. So I'm going to be using pinks, reds, oranges, and yellows. So I'm going to find my colors. Pinks, reds, orange, and yellows. The rest of the colors I don't need. Brown would be a warm color too. So I can use. Now I'm going to start coloring my hojalata. To finish this up, we're going to pick a background color that we're going to mount this to. Miss Martinez is going to use the hot glue gun and glue it to your background color. Lastly, take a Sharpie and neatly write your name underneath your hojalata so we know who it belongs to. All done.